It is a rural area in southern China. It is my hometown. As you see, this farmer fields near the hills. People's house near the farmer fields. There is just a small business street. People's house gather on the two sides of the small business street. People live in this small rural area peacefully and happily. I think when I am an old man and retired, I will choose to back my hometown and live in this rural area until I died. I really love this environment and the people who live in this rural area.